आता खबरो विस्तारान. गोयच्या लोकांचे भलायकीचे हित लक्षात घेऊन नुस्तें आयात करपाचेर घातिल्ली बंदी आनीक कांय दिसां खातीर वाडयतले अशें उतर मुखेलमंत्र्यान विधानसभेत दिलां. ह्यान फुडें गोयच्या लोकांक बरें नुस्तें मेळोवन दिवपाचेर सरकाराचो यत्न आसतलो आनी हे खातीर गोयच्या कांय मुखेल शारांतल्या नुस्त्या मार्केटांतल्या नुस्त्याची तपासणी जातली म्हूण सीएम मुखार उलयला.
The government is ready to consider extending this ban for a further period in the interest of the health of Govts if the prevailing circumstances warrant the same. Even as and when the ban is lifted, to build confidence among the Govts regarding the quality of fish available in the market and to ensure the quality of fish sold in the market, the FDA along with the Directorate of Fisheries and Police Assistance shall continue to monitor the quality of fish by carrying out the routine and periodic inspection at the major markets at Margao, Panji and Mapsa. The above mentioned CIFT validated screening test kits recommended by FSS AI shall be used to detect the presence of added formaldehyde. If the fish samples are found passing the screening test, the fish consignment will be allowed to be sold. If the CIFT validating screening test result shows that there is a contamination by added formaldehyde, then the results will be confirmed by subjecting to confirmatory tests at FDA laboratory as per FSSAI guidelines. Depending upon the results obtained by the confirmatory tests at the FDA, further actions such as releasing the consignment for consumption or destruction of the consignment will be initiated. Also, criminal action as per provision of the Food Safety and Standards Act shall be initiated against the concerned fish dealer. To sensitize the local vendors and traders who are dealing with the fresh fish imported from other states about the harmful effect of use of formaldehyde as a preservative, the FDA in association with the Fisheries Department would organize sensitization program for wholesale and retail traders so as to enable and equip them to identify fish laced with formaldehyde. Fish being the staple food of Goan and the issue on hand has a direct bearing on the health of Goan, I would urge upon all the honourable members of the House to refrain from politicizing the issue and request all of them to support the government on action taken and propose to be taken for addressing this issue. आणि आता टुरिस्ट तितले क्वॉन्टिटी ना. टुरिजम सिजनान आमकां नुस्तें पळोवपाकूच मेळचें ना जर भायले हाडलें ना जाल्यार आमी. त्यामुळे इम्पोर्ट करणे हें गोंयकारांक इकॉनॉमिकली नुस्तें कंट्रोल रेटीन दवरपाक आवश्यक आसा. आतां इम्पोर्ट केल्लें नुस्तें सेफ आसूंक जाय. ताज्या खातीर आमी सगळ्या मार्केटांच्यान सॅम्पल ड्रॉ करपाची वेवस्था करता आनी फ्री फॉर्मेल्डिहायड टेस्ट जी करपाची ती करता. हांव ताजे कॅन्सरियस हातून बी चड वचना. हांव फक्त इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता की फूड आर्टिकल सेफ आसूंक जाय. ताज्या खातीर सरकार प्रयत्न करतलो. पण त्याच बरोबर अशे सेन्सिटीव विशय मिक्सअप करून कारण आमीच एक्शन घेतलां. एक्शन हाज्या पयलीं जावन ना. 2014च्यान चॅकींग सुरू जालां. हे फॉर्मेल्डिहायडची मॅटर 2005 पासून चालू आहा. कंप्लेनी 2005 पासून येतात. कोणाक कितें कितें जावपाचें तें जावन गेलें. 2014 पासून वी हॅव स्टार्टेड इन्स्पेक्टिंग and so far we did not find anything positive, at least where the fish is brought in Goa. But import ban करा, export ban करा, हातूंच्यान सोल्युशन येवचें ना. हांगा एक संवय जाल्या कोणूय कितें स्टेटमेंट करता ताजे कॉन्सिक्वन्स पळयल्या शिवाय. सो आय अर्ज अपॉन द मेंबर्स टू बी responsible and sensitive on these issues. Let us not we are getting already bad name on many other matters. Let us not get bad name on these when we are doing the job. पण ताजें viability पळोवची पडटली. But more important thing is what is catch in Goa if it is not supplemented with proper import, safe import. आमी आतां मशिनाय घेता so that all these various pesticides, anything in the vegetables also are detected. We are buying more equipment so that we can check on this. Food safety is an important issue. I agree with that. But it has to be delicately dealt with. So we'll consider this aspect whether it is possible or not. But I can assure that we will see that safe fish is sold.